In order to make all of our websites here at Freestyle, we use a program called Adobe Dreamweaver. And Dreamweaver visually helps people design websites, and it's been particularly helpful for me because what I can do is I can code as well as see what the effects of that are by using the split view as well as the live view to show me what my actual website would look like. So first we created a template, and so this is my template for my Project 3 website. Everything on this page is pretty much a variable except for the navigation bar right here. I kept right here. I kept this the same amongst all the pages just to keep some continuity and some unity. But one thing I did do was I changed for every page kind of the header up here. So the way guitar amplifiers work is that you have a head, an amplifier, and a speaker. And so what I did was I used the head as a pretty much the variable among I changed it for every page. See, the book page has an orange one, and the process page has a gray one that's different from the one on the home page. So I tried to vary those. So on the home page, you'll see pretty much just the overview of what you'll see on the website. Oh, and I also made my little buttons light up like an actual tube amplifier would. I thought that was kind of cool. Okay, so moving on. On my book page, you pretty much see just a brief description of what we did to make the book, and then I also uploaded a PDF version of the book so you could see the actual book itself. And then here's also a screenshot of the Adobe InDesign interface that we'd use to make the book. This is the Slideshow page, and on it I created an audio slideshow that I uploaded and linked here. I also included a brief description of what the audio slideshow was. This is the process page. For the process page, I pretty much I made screenshot videos like I'm doing now to explain how I made all of this stuff. So rather than just showing it, I wanted to show people how I could do all this. So instead of once this final project is done, instead of seeing these videos, you'll see the actual screenshot videos that I'm doing now to explain how to use all of this. Back to the template. So in order to change things on the template and everywhere else, I use this thing called the Css Designer. My style sheet is called P3 Styles because this is Project 3 and it's a style sheet. And so in order to change different variables, you select, for example, body, that it changes, or it selects everything that's in the body tag for it to be changed universally. See, for example, my template has the image background selected as the background for the entire website, so it stays constant among all of my pages. This is our files panel. This shows a comprehensive kind of list of all the files that we need to make the website. When we upload our websites, all the files need to be in the same kind of general folder in order for them to upload properly. And so we created a folder called Project 3 in which we put all of our files. Work files are mainly Photoshop documents and pictures that we'd used that weren't going on the final website but were integral in making other pictures. So for here example, Here, for example, I had Adobe Illustrator files that I'd need to make the buttons. So yeah, like my header JPEG, all the pages of my books in JPEGs, all of the original files are in the Project 3 work files. Also my audio slideshow, images and sounds, and the fonts. Fonts also get uploaded. And yeah, that's Dreamweaver.